You might be wondering what you're going to do immediately you get one of these amazing air disinfection and sanitization units. Well, let me show you. First of all, it comes in this wonderful box, which I'm going to open up and take the unit out. Oh, this is so wonderful. So first of all, we've got a few boxes. One which has the plug, there we go, which we'll use later on. We've got the instructions, which I'll actually show you how to use the unit. And then this is a mid-range unit. There we go. Get that covered here. We need to just ease him out here. And voila, here we have a wonderful BV Air system. Now there are 4 different products. I've only got 2 on me. This one handles one of the smaller rooms, and this one is fantastic for about 20 square meters. We've got ones for 60 square meters or 600 square feet, and ones that handle whole buildings that go into your air conditioning systems. And of course the smallest one, which is great just for killing the viruses in say your bedroom or in your car or transport. Now, when you open the unit, you want to think, what shall I do? How am I going to set it up? And it literally is very simple. You plug it in and you go.